Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the OPPO Find X7 Ultra, the yellow and the black version. So in this video, let's just give you a quick first hands-on of them. I will do a really detailed review later, so stay tuned for that. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see the detailed review, especially this camera comparisons. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the Find X7 Ultra from OPPO, and it seems like this is the first phone ever on this planet featuring dual periscopic lens. You can see one here and one there. We'll experience the camera performance later, but I will just tell you my hands-on right now. So first, of course, I want to say, okay, this is gonna be really heavy, right? Because dual lens, huge camera bump. But actually it feels alright. But when you hold it seems like a little bit, the weight is a little bit, it feels alright. Feels alright. But I got on you guys, this is a really gigantic camera bump here. Alright, if you want to compare, let me compare with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So you can see how dramatic it is, you know. Crazy, right? Wow, just check it out. But definitely we'll compare the camera performance a little bit later. So let me go through the overall design first. So on the top we have the speaker, denoise mic, also seems like the infrared blaster, pretty cool. And on the left side we have this slider, 3-phase slider. When I press it, I can feel the vibration. So now, if you swipe to the top, it now enters the VIP mode, which disables the camera, microphone, and your position. Swipe down a little bit. Okay, you exit the VIP mode, and this is for the normal mode. All right. Okay, let me change it to the English first. All right, so English now, right? So that's the slider. This is the first time on the Find X7 series. Move to the bottom, we have the SIM card slot, Type-C, and also another speaker, also denoise mic. Move to this side, we have the power button and the volume rocker, the typical OPPO phone. All right, that's the camera module back, and we have this leather version, the yellow leather version, the flash here, and that's basically the design. So at the top, this slight curve screen, and also the back. So it feels actually not bad, pretty nice, and it's not like unbearably heavy. That's the thing I'm questioned about, but feels alright. I think it's probably the same as a normal flagship. That's it. All right, now let's just compare the OPPO Find X7 Ultra to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's just check out the camera performance. All right, I will do a very detailed one later. So definitely subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Also, when you take a photo, you gotta be careful because, especially an ultra wide lens, no, your finger can easily pop into the camera. You know. Okay, you gotta be careful. Let's take one more. 1, 2, 5. Okay, let's do 5. Let's do 5. And let's do 10, all right? 10 times. Let's see the zoom. All right. Okay, there's a guy in front of the camera. Let's just do 25, all right, the maximum. Okay, let's just compare. Holy crap! I don't even need to see this on the computer. I can see right here, you can see this is the 25 times, 10 times. Wow. Wow, when you zoom in, you can see all the noise, the grainy picture. iPhone get, but seems the X7 Ultra seems way better, right? Now let's do the video. So 4K 60, let's just do 4K 60. 然后现在走哈。
OK。
没事，你不用动，你不用动，我就在这走一下就好了。
好好。
Sami。哦，sorry，不好意思。Okay，let me run. Okay, let's do the zoom. So 4K. So one time. 4.8. 6 times. That's the 6 time zoom. So now let's do the iPhone. Okay, 4.9. Yeah, I don't need to do this. iPhone is better. 6 times, you see. iPhone is way clearer, right? iPhone can do 50 times. Wow, even at 15 times, it looks way better than the OPPO. Okay, the zoom. Let's do 4K 30. Let's do the ultra, right? So the ultra lens. Wow, ultra you can go all the way up to 18 times. Woohoo! So for OPPO, or no, for iPhone, for 15 times. Wow. OPPO looks a little bit pretty, but that's 18 times. Let's do the 15 times. 15 times. Okay, 50 times. Almost 50 times. Seems like the same, right? Well, OPPO looks a little bit more grainy. Okay, I put the original photos there. Video clips. Alright, so let me just walk you through the camera interface. So here, like ultra wide, so we will put to 4K 60 fps. So ultra wide, main, 2, 3, 6. It like supports all 4K 60. That's amazing. Master. Okay, you can adjust different parameters, just like the Pro on your phone. Photo, portrait. Okay, more. These are other features. Most importantly is about this. You may wonder, like, does the selfie camera supports 4K? Okay, great. It just supports 4K 60. Wow, that's amazing, because normally for the previous OPPO phones or many other Chinese brands, they just don't support 4K for the selfie, but now it supports. Okay, let me just compare it with the iPhone a little bit. We are like indoors, extreme dark, not extreme dark, but it's dark environment. I guess, I don't know. Let me just. As you can see, for OPPO interface, there's this camera, this interface, right, to boost the brightness on your face, so you look more natural and well lit. So that's great. Let me just show you a little bit. Okay. Great. Woo.